welcome to my vlog. So today we're gonna celebrate my sister's birthday. So we'll go to the beach and swim now. That's Katie talk.
What can you say, Katie?
This is me, guys. What are you doing? So,
What are we going to do?
before we get started, please subscribe and like and please subscribe to alone. Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today we're gonna celebrate my baby sister's birthday. So we'll go to the beach and yeah. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a big thumbs up and follow us on Instagram and TikTok. We will go to the beach and we will see you for a little while. So, bye.
Katie, what can you say?
Thank you. We're wearing swimsuit because we're going to the beach. Yay! We're going to the beach now.
You at the beach.
Yes, here at the beach. Did you can have the pink cake? You can have the pink one.
Yung mura lang,
Right
maliit
up
lang.
there. It's your birthday cake? No. Oh, you want that? You want that?
$7.50. You want the choco meltdown cake?
Baba.
Yung ano kasi yung masarap pang ito. Yung CM7 na yun. May pansit. Kakain lang na.
Happy birthday, birthday girl! Happy birthday, ate!
Not my birthday. How about us? How about me? Wait, do you mind
It's okay.
picture the blooper? Hey, it's not fair. I need the pin. Where? Papa!
Are you happy now?
Opi. Face one to Papa.
Dito lang ha.
Can you watch her face? Papa, look. Papa. Mommy. Ate! Papa! Papa, I thought we're going there.
What are you drinking? What is that?
Juice.
It's a Dutch mill. Okay. Another pose.
Oh my gosh. Stop the video. I cannot do it.
May I see your back? May I see your back?
No. Mommy. Stop. No.
Katie, come on. Happy birthday, Katie. Happy birthday, Katie. Okay, go. Happy birthday, Katie. Happy birthday, Katie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Katie. Blow your candle now. Wow.
Blow, ate.
Again,
Me
another
blow?
one.
I have to blow it.
Go.
I blow it. I blowed it.
Yay.
Cannot
Happy birthday, Katie. What will you say?
Happy birthday. Thank you. What do you wish for?
What is your wish?
I wish I wish I have a mermaid.
Mermaid what?
Mermaid tail? Yes.
Oh, you want a mermaid tail?
Yes. So cute and adorable.
Okay. What will you say? Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Mommy and Latte.
Oh,
Mommy
what,
and
Papa?
Papa.
Welcome. Happy birthday.
Ikaw kasi,
Katie,
nahihila mo.
Katie, ate,
Mama.
you kiss Katie. Happy birthday.
Happy
Papa. Happy birthday. Are you happy?
Yes, I need this a slice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like your cake?
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah, I'm
chocolate.
I'm even the one who picked the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one who picked the cake.
What cake is that?
This is, I think this is chocolate. And this
Where did we
is-
buy that?
I need that.
Yeah. What is that?
It's a donut.
What?
Mm.